It's something that I haven't done on any videos before, but if you guys take this advice and you test this product and you end up doing well with it, I want you guys to message me on Instagram, where I'll try and provide as much personalized help for you guys as I possibly can, okay? What's going on, guys? Connor here, and in this video I'm going to be giving away a winning product for you guys, and I'm going to be giving you guys the details on how to enter that giveaway very shortly. But before we do so, I did want to jump in here and update you guys on my store. So right here, we're in my store, just to show you guys some proof here. These are the sales today as of 11:39 p.m. So $1,000 in sales. We are actually technically negative today, but if we look at basically over the course of this month, we have $4,900 in sales over the course of the last 8 days. And as you can see, the stepping stone, we are in the scaling phases, so stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to also show you guys kind of where my store is overall, because if we go from January all the way until July 8th and we check out the sales, we're at $396,000. But if we go all the way back to when I started my store, which was around November to July 8th, as you can see, we have indeed broken the $400,000 in total sales mark, and this is at a 13% profit margin. So we have over $50,000 in profit, which to me is amazing. I never thought I'd hit that. So shout out to not only number one, my mentor Ivy Zoo, but also all you guys for continuing to support me throughout this journey. Whoever has been along the way helping me, I really appreciate that. So enough of boring you guys with this. Let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. We're gonna jump right into it, and today we're gonna talk about the $10,000 winning product giveaway that I'm gonna be giving away to one of you guys. So the way you can enter this giveaway is essentially to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and number 3, comment #freevalue in the comment sections of this video, and you will be entered to win the giveaway. And basically what the winner gets, and make sure you do that right now as well, what the winner gets is the winning product that I will be revealing to you guys. I'll stick it out of frame here. It's right behind the screen right now, but it will be the winning product, 100% custom video ad, already made, completely made by a professional video editing company, 3 professional thumbnail variations that I have made myself, professionally written ad copy from a specific copywriter that I use on all my stores, and also copy and paste product descriptions, so you can just plug everything into your store and you can have ads up and running basically in a day. So what it also comes with is a free 30-minute call with myself to help implement all these things together. So I'll be providing you with all of these resources and giving you exactly how to launch the product, and we can even go into some of your interests that you can test for this product. So it's going to be an amazing giveaway. I'm not only just giving you guys a product that you can test today for everyone, but one lucky winner will actually get all of this, which is going to be amazing. So I haven't seen anyone do this on YouTube, that's why I'm doing it, and we'll just go ahead and jump right into the video. So what is the winning product? The winning product is right here. It is a talking hamster. Okay, so I know you're thinking, Connor, what the heck's a talking hamster? Why are you giving me this crap product? It's not a crap product. If you actually look, it does have a wow factor, and like I said, I did actually buy the product off Amazon. This doesn't have batteries in it right now, but I'll just play a clip of what the the product basically is, like a demonstration of it right now.
Hi, I'm Chloe. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.
So some of the major criteria for choosing a product like this is number one, it has to either have a wow factor or it needs to solve a problem. And you want to make sure that you're testing products that still have orders but that aren't too saturated. So under 10,000 total orders on AliExpress is a good sign. Anything over that is okay too. Once you start hitting the range of like 50,000 orders on AliExpress or 30,000 orders on AliExpress, that's when you might want to reconsider your product test. So this is a great product that I would consider to be probably untapped. Under 10,000 orders. And also another big thing with dropshipping products and products from China in general is that a lot of these products are not going to be the highest quality. So you want to make sure that all the products you're testing, make sure to do your research on these products and go to Amazon, go to AliExpress, check the reviews on there, see what the reviews are saying, and if there's good reviews, then that's probably a good product for you to test, because the worst thing you can do is take a product, scale it, and it has bad reviews. you get a low customer feedback score, your business manager gets disabled, ad account disabled, and it's just a huge mess. So you want to try and avoid that at all costs. So this product right here, I mean, if you look at it, right, there's tons of ways that you can market this, and the winner will definitely be getting my favorite way to market this. You can market this to dogs, you can market it to kids, you can market it to just as like a gag gift, you know, for like Christmas, or just a gift for someone's birthday, right? It's kind of a funny toy that you could use really anywhere. So it has a lot of market potential. Just depends what emotion you use. And you know, I'm sure you're asking the question, will this product work for me? And the answer is yes, if you test using emotion. So there's 27 human emotions here. If you guys are watching this video right now and you're probably looking at the product on AliExpress, looking up videos on Facebook, YouTube, try and think of an emotion that you can use to market with your ad copy and with your product description. You want everything to flow together. So pick one of these emotions. There's 27 emotions right here. They'll also be linked down in the description as well. But these are just, you know, basic emotions, right? Admiration, you've got boredom, fear's a good one, satisfaction's a good one, craving. So if someone really, really wants this product, right, you're putting a lot of, you know, effort into building up the social proof, like, you know, other people want it, like they're envious of other people's having this product. So that's another option that you could go with. There's tons of different emotions you can choose, but just pick one of these emotions and then create your ad copy based on that. So basically, what are the steps for testing? So now I'm going to get into the steps for testing this specific product, the talking hamster. So number one would be to search talking hamster on YouTube, Facebook, and Google. And the reason you do that is you want to try and find multiple different clips of this product being used, basically. So, you know, there's tons of products similar to this one. It might be a different color, right? I just bought this one off Amazon. It seemed like a standard color, you know, with the tan looking, or with the orange looking fur, and then the tan fur on the front. I've seen ones with gray fur as well. So there's tons of different options on that as well that you can use. But just try and search the product name, Talking Hamster, on YouTube, Facebook, and Google. See what clips you can find. And then once you do that, maybe once you have like 5 or 6 clips that you found on YouTube, try and combine multiple video clips together. You can use a bunch of different softwares online. If you don't want to use Animoto or Adobe Premiere, which are the two that I recommend, you can just type into Google free editing software, and I'm sure there's a ton out there to use. And make sure the key here is that you're using the same emotion in the ad video, the ad copy, and the text, which is the text on your ad, right? The text above your ad, and also the product description. The key is to use the same emotion in all 3 of those, because if you have all 3 of those, the trifecta of emotion, it's going to be a lot easier for you to sell your product. Your conversion rate is going to be higher, and you're going to be profitable in the testing phase, which is what you guys want. You want to be profitable as soon as possible. You don't want to keep spending money and just wasting money buying data for too long. You know, there is a point where you need to buy data, but you don't want to do it for too long. And the 4th step for testing this product would be to create 3 different thumbnails for the video, and use emojis. You can use arrows, you can use circles. There's tons of different ways you can create a thumbnail, but make sure that you're highlighting the product and really kind of getting people's attention, like a sneak peek or a preview into what they're going to watch, and it really entices them to watch. Okay, so that's the key. And then the 5th and final step for testing would be to launch one campaign with 10 ad sets, and with those 3 different ads per ad set. So each ad is going to be a different thumbnail, right? It will be one video with 3 different thumbnails, and that's going to be those 3 different ads per ad set. Okay, so when you're creating the ad set, you just go in there and you hit create ad. There's going to be 3 dots next to the ad set, and you're just going to click on that, and then you're going to do that 3 times. And you can keep the ad copy the same, right? Keep the ad copy the same using the same emotion. And you're just going to run that at $7 a day. Ad set budget, you're going to target single interests, tier 1 countries, 1-day click. If you guys want further detail on the specific launch strategy that I use for testing, you can find it in my previous videos. So I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. So how do I analyze my data on Facebook Ads Managers? This is a question I get asked a lot, especially when I give you guys products to test and I give you guys testing strategy. The question I get is what's good, what's okay, and what's bad. So here I'm laying it out for you, right? So if you use my strategy up to this point, after 24 hours, what's a good sign is if you have 2+ purchases, and that's when you full send scale it, right? So that's when you're gonna this product's gonna be a good one for you. You're gonna want to scale it. It's definitely going to be a winner for you right after, you know, if you get 2 purchases. So that's at a time when you'd basically duplicate budgets, you'd narrow down by Facebook or Instagram, you'd narrow down by country, and you'd keep testing, you know, 5 to 10 new interests every single day, and just keep killing the bad ones that are under your break-even ROAS and keep scaling the ones that are above your break-even ROAS with a high ROAS. So an okay, Facebook test for this product would be just 1 purchase. What I'd recommend you do in that case is to let it run for another 12 hours. If no purchase, then just go ahead and kill the product and move on to the next one. If you do get a purchase, go ahead and let it run for the full 48 hours and then see how it does. And after that time, if you have 2 purchases, you can look at scaling that if it's beneficial for you. So a bad product test is obviously no purchases, you have a 0 ROAS, and that's when I'd recommend killing the product and moving on. Because at that point, right, you have 10 ad sets, spending at $7 per day, so that's $70 in spend. You should get at least 1 purchase or 2 purchases if this is going to be a product that you're going to scale. So if you don't get a purchase and you don't get a lot of clicks, you don't get any added carts, what that means is that your ad isn't probably not good enough, or your targeting isn't good enough, and most of the time it's the first one. So your ad is not intriguing enough. Check your click-through rate, make sure your click-through rate is at least above 2%, and make sure that you're getting a low CPC. You want your CPC to be below $1. So if people aren't clicking on your ad, it's going to cost you way more money. It's going to be a lot harder to scale and a lot harder for you to get purchases, just starting out basically. So please make sure you guys read this, because this is the most important part of the video. If you guys get 2+ purchases after 24 hours, so if your stats are good and you're going to full send scale it, comment on this video with the term "I made it, I got 2 sales," and I will personally help you scale. So you can direct message me on Instagram at Connor Chapman. If you have, like I said, if you have 2 purchases, you can just full send scale it. It's something that I haven't done on any videos before, but if you guys take this advice and you test this product and you end up doing well with it, I want you guys to message me on Instagram, where I'll try and provide as much personalized help for you guys as I possibly can, okay? Because as you guys already know, I provide nothing but free value. That's what I'm trying to do for you guys. I'm not selling you any courses, any mentorship, any coaching, nothing like that. All I'm doing is just providing value for you guys, because that's what I want to do for the near future, and that's what I really enjoy doing, and that's why I'm making this video right now at 3 a.m. It's because I just feel like I owe it to you guys. I owe it to you guys to make a good video with good content. So like I said, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, here is basically how to enter. Just subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment #freevalue in the comments of this video, and basically you will win this winning product. I'll probably even send it to you if you want. I mean, that's not a problem with me, but the big thing is you're gonna get a custom video which is professionally done. You're gonna get professional thumbnails, ad copy, product description, and a free 30-minute call with myself. So it's the whole package. Basically, I know there's a ton of softwares out there that actually charge you for this. There's people who charge you for this in general just as a service. So giving it to you guys all for free on YouTube. All you have to do is subscribe to your favorite YouTuber out there, myself, obviously. Yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Let's get to 2,000 subs by the end of this month. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, keep your mind right. Peace.